BabyCro. Today we will bring Britax Affinity II children's stroller to your attention. The stroller is destined for kids from the very young age, to be more precise from 6 months, until they reach the weight of 17 kilograms and turn approximately 3 years old. Britax Affinity II is firm, quite lightweight and multifunctional as well. We invite you to review this model closer together with us now. Here are its characteristics. The stroller's folding type is a book. To fold it, you need to hide a hood, lower the button on the side of the chassis, and keep folding the stroller until it is completely folded. The stroller fixes automatically and doesn't take much space in the folded state. To make it even more compact, you can take the bumper off. To unfold the stroller, press the clamp on the side of the chassis and pull the stroller with the handle. It's fast and very convenient. You can install a walking block both in the direction of movement and against it. If you need to remove the block, press the buttons on both sides of the block and flip it over to another side, fixing at adapters. You can fix the child in the stroller with the help of 5-point safety belts, which are adjustable in height. The back cover has holes in it to pull the straps through them. Thus, the length of the belts increases or decreases. Protective bumper. You can put it aside or take away at all. For that, press the buttons on both sides of the bumper, or only at one side if you just want to put it aside. This helps you sit and take the child out easier. The footrest is also adjustable. To do so, press the buttons on both sides of the footrest and choose the correct position. The stroller's kit includes a leg cover. It is made of quite durable material and covers the child's legs from all sides, so it will reliably protect from wind and bad weather. The way of fastening is very simple. Use the rubber to fasten it to the footrest, and on the other side it should be fixed to the bumper. There is also an additional mattress, which should be put on the back and on the footrest. It is soft and improves the baby's comfort in the stroller to a great extent. By the way, if you want to change the stroller's color, keep in mind that this mattress, the hood and the leg cover can come in different colors, and you can change them, while the stroller's base always goes in one color. A walking block can change its angle of inclination to completely horizontal position. Push on the handle at the back of the stroller and tilt the block to the desired position. In the horizontal position, the lying position won't be completely horizontal, but in the form of a hammock. The hood is quite big, but its size is not the maximum possible. It is easily adjustable with one hand. It will protect the kid from wind and ultraviolet radiation 50+. There is also an additional visor for better protection from the sun. If the weather outside is hot and you want to reach better air ventilation for the child, you can unzip the back part of the hood, turn the hood down, and there will be an insert from a mosquito net. There is also a window in the hood, which can be opened. It is usually closed with a film, but makes it convenient for you to watch the baby. The handle. The first thing you notice about it is the upholstery, made from genuine leather. It is very pleasant to the touch and keeps your hands from sliding. You will feel pure pleasure while holding it. You can also regulate it in several positions, with the buttons on both sides of the handle. You can adjust the handle according to your height. The wheels of this model are combined. Rear wheels are big, inflatable, and very durable. There is a brake on the right wheel, which blocks both wheels. This is the pedal with indicators. To block the wheels, push on the pedal with the red indicator. To unblock them, the pedal with the green one. They are easy to operate. Front wheels are not inflatable, but also made from a very durable material. They are rotatable, and you can fix them if you need to cover some difficult or rough terrain. Press the buttons over the wheels for that. Front wheels are equipped with springs that provide the stroller with additional shock absorption. The basket at the bottom of the stroller can withstand the weight of up to 5 kilograms. It has mesh sides that help you to quickly find anything visually. A cradle or a car seat from Britax can easily be installed on the chassis of the stroller, thanks to special adapters. The weight of the stroller is 11 kilograms. The dimensions of the stroller in the unfolded state are as follows: 95 by 60 by 101 centimeters. In the folded, 33 by 60 by 66 centimeters. Britax Affinity II jogging stroller is compact in the folded state, all-terrain thanks to big rotatable rubber wheels, and stylish. A walking block can be installed both in and against the direction of movement, as well as it can change the angle of its inclination to horizontal for the child's rest. You can find all the details about this model by following the links in the description below. We hope that today's review has been useful to you. There's a lot of new things ahead. Stay with us!